To use the coffee machine, make sure that it's plugged in and the switch is on. Take out the tank, open the lid, pour water inside, put it back, make sure that the nozzle fits perfectly. Open this cover right here, put the capsule inside and close. Press these buttons right here to turn on. Once the light stops blinking, press either of these buttons right here to select if you want the small one or the big one. Once it's done, coffee will come out here. To remove the used capsules, you can remove this cover right here. Take the empty capsules and put it back. To turn off, just remove the plug from the socket and turn off the main switch.